Hello everyone, I am Khyati Khandewal. I am a student of Pride Educare. I have done my diplomas in digital marketing over here. Once a Pride student, always a Pride student. I can say that all the Pride teachers are so efficient and so hardworking. They always help you and they are willing to teach you with all their love and efforts. Your age is no matter. I have seen a younger child maybe from age of 10 to someone who is also at the age of 70 coming here. It all depends on what you want and what you wish for. So you cannot blame the teachers. It is your efforts and your willingness to perform something good in order to achieve something. It is always said that whatever you want, you can do it, and I have done it. Here are my 4 certificates for the course of Diploma in Digital Marketing. I am so happy to complete my course over here with all the friendly atmosphere, with all the extracurricular activities that I have been taking part into. So I recommend you to come here, have a look. I know it is going to be the best out of all the options that you are going to run. So do come, have a look here, find out their courses, and don't forget they have their amazing and exciting offers. Thank you so much.